Alright, I'm going to make a video about dilation. This is for quiz 5 in Khan Academy. So I'm going to start with the dilate point. It says plot the image of point B under a dilation about point P with a scale factor of 1/4. Okay, so from point P to here, we want our next point to be 1/4 of the way to B. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is to count. So I'm going to go ahead and count. I don't know if I can write on this. I'm going to try to write on this. Okay, let's see if writing on the graph works. Oh, it does not. It stops short. Okay, that's okay. So again, I'm gonna start by counting. So how far is point B from P? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so it's 12 units up. All right. So we have 12 units up. What's 1/4 of 12? Well, it's just 12, that's a 2, times 1/4, which is equal to 3. Okay, so that means my point would be 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to just draw a little line here. Okay, so that's how far up it goes, but how far to the right do we need to go? Well, now we need to count going right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8, yep, that's right. So we went 8 to the right. Sorry for my sloppy arrow here. Okay, what's 1/4 of 8? Well, 1/4 of 8 would be 8 times 1/4, so then that would be 2. Okay, so that means I would go up 1, 2, 3, and then I would go over 2. 1, 2. So again, up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then over 2. I'm going to go ahead and check my answer here. Oops, what did I do wrong? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Alright, so I am up 3, I am over 2. Oh, I see what the problem is. I have another point up here. So I'm going to throw that point away. Check it out. And yes, that is correct. So I went up 3 and I went over 2. So what I did was I just counted my squares up, counted my squares to the right, and then I divided each one of those numbers by 1/4 because the dilation was by 1/4. Plotted my point. 3 up, 2 over. Okay, plot the image of point A under a dilation about point P with a scale factor of 4. Okay, so same sort of thing, we're going to be counting. So currently, if we're starting at point P, because it says it's from point P, the dilation is from point P, A is 2 points away. 2 units away, so 1, 2, it's 2 units away. And if we want a scale factor of 4, then it would be 2 times 4. So that means I would be moving 8 spaces away. Okay, so this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, so I counted from P to A. That was 2 units away. And it says the scale factor of 4, so that means I did 2 times 4. Okay, so that's 8 units away from P. Alright, there we go. Alright, this has been a video on dilating points.